Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your Goodreads account. So first up, go ahead and log into goodreads.com. Now once you're in here, go to the top right and click on this profile icon. Just click on it, and once done, go ahead over to the bottom and click on account settings. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here, under our profile picture, we have this delete my account button. Just make sure that you're under the profile tab. Okay. Now, if you're sure, just go and click on the red delete my account button. Click on it. And once done, there will be a prompt. This will delete your account. The ratings and reviews you've posted, your comments, writing, etc. will be removed from the site as well. Now, once you're really sure, just go and click on delete my account. Click on it. And again, there will be a prompt. Just hit on OK if you're sure. Once done, wait for it to load. And as you can see here, we are being redirected to the sign up page. That's basically how you delete your Goodreads account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.